How to open or register a Telegram account without phone number. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can open Telegram without phone number. Now to begin with, check your internet connection and then update your application. Now Telegram typically requires a valid phone number for account verification during the registration process. This is one of the Telegram security measures to ensure that each user has a unique verifiable identity. However, there might be some instance or third-party method that allows you to use Telegram without a phone number. Now, keeping this in mind that such method may not be compliant with Telegram terms of services and they may possess security risk. Now, unfortunately, Telegram does not operate without a phone number. However, if you don't have a phone number, then what you can do is you can use a third-party help. So for that, you need to go to your Play Store and then you can install Text Me app. You can just install this particular application and after that register for this application as well, and after that you'll be provided with a virtual phone number for a certain period of time and you can just get a code, and after that you can just log in with that particular phone number. So without a phone number you'll not be able to operate your Telegram application. In this way you can register your Telegram account without a phone number. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.